Hey, welcome back to the art of pizza making. Today we're gonna make a pizza with oyster mushrooms. So these are delicious. So here we go. We're gonna start by spreading a bit of flour on the board. So like always, my dough is sits on the counter for an hour or two, even 3. And this time I'll try to show a bit better how to stretch the dough. So as you see, it stretches by itself again. It's the same technique. I occasionally put it on the board so it takes a bit of flour and then take it back. And just by stretching the outer edge, never the center. So you see how I take it with my knuckles and just go around. So this is a 300-gram pizza ball. It was frozen, and so I saw it yesterday night in the fridge. So it's almost at the level of the size that I want. So I'll just do it a bit more. Notice it's very, very thin. Okay, so this is it. So we'll start. I'll start by introducing the ingredients I'm going to put. My tomato sauce, crushed hot chili pepper. It's Tutto Calabria. It's from my region in Italy. We have garlic that I've minced with a bit of olive oil, some homegrown chili peppers, shredded mozzarella, and the oyster mushrooms. Okay, so oyster mushrooms, you could really fill it up. There's no problem. It will shrink a bit. Okay, so we're going to start by putting a bit of olive oil on the dough. Oh, actually, we're going to put this too. We're going to put the Tutto Calabria. This is really optional, and as the garlic is optional too. And I'm going to spread it, try to spread it everywhere, all around. Okay, so that's it. We're just going to slide it a bit just to make sure that it slides everywhere. For 7 minutes. So this is the pizza ready. And now we're going to add a bit of olive oil on the oyster mushrooms. Because they would be a bit dry, I find. So it's a very nice addition to the pizza, and even around the crust, like this. Okay, and now for the crushed peppers. So put a bit of these. Okay, and voila, this is the oyster mushroom pizza with shredded mozzarella and spicy peppers and garlic. All right.